So I bought a kitchen island bench that's on roller wheels off catch.com.au. Link is in the description down below if you did want to head there and buy it yourself. It took a few hours to put together. My daughter, as you can see, helped a little bit. And yeah, so but I was able to do it by myself, which was good and was easy enough to do. I did make a mistake putting it together, but so I had to backtrack a little, but that was alright. It was easy enough to follow the instructions, like I guess any IKEA flat pack, but this one came from catch.com.au. As you can see, our bench is quite limited in space. It's only 400 deep, so we needed some extra tabletop room, bench room, and also kitchen cabinet stuff, as we don't have a lot of cabinet space and drawer space in our kitchen, and so we bought this as a solution until we do a kitchen renovation later on in the year. So yeah, it's actually a really good solution. We like the look of it. It looks lovely. The material was perfect and solid and looks great, so we're very happy with it. I did make a mistake there, and that's me pulling off the base and had to switch around the back basically and then put it back in. There we go, and I'm putting the base back on. Thanks to my lovely wife for realizing and pointing out I made a mistake before I did, but she's great with that. Good job, babe. But yeah, it was pretty easy to put together, and it looks great, and the back of the bench folds down and folds up, so it's on hinges that I'm putting on here, and so that means we can push it away against the wall when we're not using it, or we can pull it out and extend the bench top for when we are using it and wanting the extra space. So it's got the 3 drawers, 2 cupboard doors, nothing soft close or anything at all. But at $400, I wouldn't probably expect it to be soft close. It looks great. It rolls around and glides easily around the kitchen. It's got the brake locks on it, or the wheel locks, and so we can lock it in place so it doesn't roll. Now you see the bench top with it out, so extended. It's very easy to do, to pop the back of the wood out or in to support the bench top. These are the drawers getting put together. They were very simple. Everything was labelled left and right. Everything's pre-drilled, so you know exactly where they goes. I did use an electric drill just because it saved my wrist, and it was a lot faster putting it together. But other than that, everything came in the box. So yeah, very happy with the product and with using it, and it looks great. So yeah, if you want one, just head to catch.com.au, and yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.